what's ringing, guys? Today we're here with Hochiki Sounders at Furness Railway because they test them every Monday apparently. So since we do fire alarms here, never expected to get a fire alarm video that soon. Only one I expected to get as soon is the one where we test them at college. But we're going to wait a quick sec. We're going to still point it at the sounder, and if it goes off again, we get 2 for the price of 1. Depending on how many times they test it, mate, you're probably not going to have much luck. See what I'm on about? They're probably testing each call point and sounder in the building. Jeez. First time it went off, me and one of the staff who you've seen in a video before, Reese Poos his nickname is, it went off just as we walked in. Again. I'm not going to stop until the alarm has stopped, please listen. Until there's no more tests, I'm not going to I hardly ever get to get fire alarm videos, so you never know, they might go off again in a sec. See? Anyone who's watching the video who doesn't know, these are Hochiki Sounders.
They are cheeky.
No, it's not that. The name of them are Hochiki Sounders.
I'm saying they're being cheeky as well. They keep going up.
Well, guys, I know where I might be coming most Mondays. I'm not at college. Yeah, I honestly. Oh yeah, see what I mean? Everybody watching, you think they're finally stopped, and I'm not saying the outro until I know for sure they've stopped, because as soon as I say the end of the video, you know our little phrase ring out at the end. As soon as I stop the video, they start going off again.
Why don't you try and see if it interrupts you? Because it might be funny.
We're waiting about a few minutes, Reese Twos, and then if they don't go off again, I'm going to stop the video. Hang on a minute, one more minute. I wonder if this actually is it. Hopefully next time we don't get Reese Tooth telling us to stop the video until we know for sure the test is over.
I thought it was going to finish. I was wrong. Okay. But I reckon it is done now because it's been a couple of minutes.
It was a couple of minutes the first time.
It was a lot more frequent.
Alright guys, well, we're gonna end this video clip now, unless it starts going off again before I've said it. So that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, then please subscribe for future content, and until next time, ring out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content. And until next time,